would you recommend to anyone who is doing his first remote project?
Well, the first thing you can do is whenever possible, do your best, even if you have to find a way to bend a rule, do your best to get the team the first couple of days together, that you'll have a 2 or 3 day workshop where you're discussing the project, going out in the evening, getting to know each other. And then once you've gotten to know each other and seen each other face to face, it's easier to trust someone that you've actually been able to physically reach out and touch. Next thing to do will be pick up the phone and call the person. Find a time today. Hey, how are you doing? I just wanted to call, chit chat. Yeah. And schedule that you'll have 10 to 15 minutes where you're talking about the job, but another 20 to 30 minutes where you just, yeah, I like this soccer team. What kind of sports do you like? You don't like sport. Oh, okay. What's your favorite food? Just to get to know each other and get to know you, to build up the trust and the good feeling.